This is the eggplant schnitzel. So here we have eggplant steaks. You cut them lengthwise, just trim the little green tops, and I salt them and drain them and get the planks ready. For the breading station for that, I have a little salt and some AP flour, all-purpose flour. I have 4 eggs for 2 large eggplant, and to that, I add a nice squirt of Dijon mustard, break the yolks to get it to combine a little easier for you. You know, flour, egg, breadcrumb. Now for breadcrumb, I like to do a mixture of both fine breadcrumb and panko or homemade breadcrumb, so you get an extra crunch factor going on with it. And the nutmeg, for 2.5 cups or so combined of our breadcrumb base. And putting in about a 1/4 teaspoon or so. For the green sauce, we're gonna take 2 packed cups of cilantro, about the same of parsley, and a little less, like about half of that, of fresh mint. And then I'm gonna put in 2 jalapeno peppers and 5 or 6 Thai bird chilies. Obviously, there's our heat. A handful of garlic, 3 or 4 large crushed cloves. And then we're going to use a spice blend in both either your flour or your breadcrumb, doesn't really matter. And we're gonna put a little into our green sauce so that kind of echoes, okay, back and forth. This is super simple. It's just cumin and caraway. They make a really interesting combination. And then white peppercorn, another heat agent in this. And you can mix it basically into any of the layers here. I would do the flour or the breadcrumb, and I put a little bit in your sauce that you're gonna keep, again, in the fridge. I just put it in a little mason jar. Now, as I added nutmeg to this guy, but not in this guy, I'm gonna add a little goes a long way, ground cardamom to this guy. So we're gonna pop this guy into our spice mix for the white pepper, the cumin, and caraway. We lightly toasted them. When we toast spices, seeds, or nuts, of course, we develop their flavor to their fullest. So we're gonna put about 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons in here and sprinkle the rest either place you like, breadcrumb or the flour. As long as it gets to where we're going, it's all good. All right, I'm gonna add to this about, don't measure it, 1/2 cup of olive oil. And as I said, the juice of 2 lemons or limes. I'm gonna add some salt. I will zap this up and pop it into that jar. I have a little, a schnitzel factory that I've built here. I'm making eggplant schnitzel, but you can make the same dish with butterflied pounded out chicken breast. You could use pork loin, cut on the bias and then pound it out, or thin cut beef top round as well. I've got a batch coming out, a batch going in. Here's another fun little snap, salty snap to put on top of the dish. Crispy capers. You just put a little oil in a small pan and let them toast until they start to pop open and get extra crispy. And that little salty something something up on top of the schnitzel is super fun too. So we have our eggplant schnitzels. Come here, baby. Oh, they look so good. And then, while the schnitzel's warm, you spread them with whipped honey. It's like glazed schnitzel. And then you top their crispy schnitzel with the glazed honey, with the homemade green hot sauce. Yes, oh yes, yes, yes. And we're still not done yet. Because now you sprinkle over those crispy capers. What? I may have gone a little heavy on the capers there, but isn't that a gorgeous, fun dinner? So, once again, you can pre-order it now, but we were celebrating the This Must Be the Place, my latest book.